Hey guys, what is up? It's Teddy here and welcome to another weekly B-boy tutorial. Today we'll be learning how to do the advanced shoulder roll. And before we start, make sure you hit that subscribe button and also turn on the notification icon so whenever I upload a new video, you will know. The concept of advanced shoulder roll is pretty simple. We're just gonna roll from one shoulder to the other shoulder. So for the sake of this tutorial, I divide it into 3 steps. So step 1, we're gonna place our left shoulder to the ground first. After placing your shoulder to the ground, you want to keep your right leg straight because this right leg is going to whip or is the momentum to bring you up to the second step. Alright, so now I'm going to whip my right leg and then I'm going to go to the second step. For the second step, you can see I transit from my left shoulder to my back here. Okay, so that's the second step, keep that in mind. And the easier way to go to the second step, like I said, use your right leg to whip. And for the head part, you want to look at your stomach, alright? That's the concept. So whip and then look at your stomach so your head is kind of bent on the ground and you want to keep your upper body and your leg straight all the time. From the second step to the third step is pretty simple. You just keep rolling and then transit from your back here to your right shoulder. After you're getting all these 3 steps down, now I'm going to show you guys how to compile it into one motion and I'm going to add in some speed into it. So there you go guys, the advanced shoulder roll. After you mastering this, you can combine this with other moves to make it even cooler. Alright, so that's about it. Subscribe, like this video, give a thumbs up, and I will see you guys next time.